Let me tell you the story of the fisherman and the businessman. One day, a businessman was so stressed out that he walked to the beach to have some relaxing time. He saw a fisherman approaching the beach in his boat. He walked to him and said, "How long does it take you to get that amount of big fish you have?" The fisherman said, "Not that long. I usually spend a few minutes, get that amount of fish, and return back home." The businessman said, "I have a PhD in business management, and I have a curious question. Why don't you stay longer time to catch more fish?" "More?" The fisherman said, "I think that is enough for me and for my family to feed us for the day." The businessman was not satisfied. He lowered his hat. "Then what do you do with the rest of your day?" The fisherman smiled and replied, "Once I get this amount of fish, I return back to my family, I play with my kids, and I rest in the afternoon. Actually, I take a nap. And in the evening, I walk to the town to see my friends, listen to some music, or read a book and visit my neighbors." The businessman said, "But you're still young. You can catch more fish and sell it and make more money out of it." The fisherman said, "And what would I do with that?" The businessman was a little bit agitated and said, "So that you can hire more people, buy new nylon nets, catch more fish and sell them, and create your own company, make your production line, and then move with your family to the city where you can have your own company, relax, and retire early." The fisherman said, "And what would I get out of that?" The businessman was surprised and agitated at the same time. "Then you can be richer and richer, so you don't have to work anymore. And you wouldn't care about what is going on in the world. You will spend most of the day relaxing here and doing nothing but fishing." The fisherman said, "What do you think I'm doing right now?" The moral lesson of the story: be content. Stress is always a choice. There is always joy in peace and simplicity. Don't complicate your life, wasting your time making and amassing money, but default to simplicity, relax, and spend the best quality time with your family. Have a wonderful day.